Good afternoon, traders. This is a live trade recap. I took 0 trades this morning at the market open, and I'm going to show you why in just a moment. First, let me show you that I didn't take any trades. So if you see up here, it says filled today 0, working orders 1. That's because my SPXL swing trade has a stop loss on it, so that's the working order. And let's take a look first at my screener so you can see how I look for my stocks each day. So my screener, mid-ish cap stocks, click those 3 little dots, click modify, otherwise the filters will not be applied. Then I organize the list by volume. I'm looking for stocks that are going up in price, but there's a very strict chart criteria that's written into my trading plan that must be met in order for me to even keep these stocks on my chart page. So for example, CLOV, that's below the 200 MA on the daily chart. Same thing with TAL. IRNT looks really great on the screener, up 58%. But if you open up the chart, you'll see in the pre-market it went up to, I think, like $43. So it's trading well below this pre-market high, which is a sign of weakness. And if, for example, for me to trade something like this, I need to see it break above that level, then give me a pullback, then I could possibly take an entry. And the case with most of these is they're either below the 200 MA on the daily chart or there is no 200 MA, and both knock them off of my chart in both cases. So let's take a look at what I was watching. So HUT looked the best on the screener and met my criteria on the daily chart. We can look at that right now. So here's the daily chart. Let me reset it. So obviously it's trading above the 200 MA on the daily chart, but the previous high was established here in the pre-market, $11.30. And that must be broken in order for me to look for a trade. And you can see right at the open, it looked pretty strong. Huge green candle here, and then a big sell-off. There was resistance at 11:30, and I was waiting for it to turn around and break out above that 11:30, give me a pullback to get in, and then ride the stock until the price went even higher. But that never happened. It never broke out above 11:30. So in that case, I did have an alert up here. You can see at 11:25, just in case it broke above that level before my cutoff, which is 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. If no trade has been triggered at that point, then I just stop trading for the day. It's always better to have a break-even day or a no trade day than a red day. So that's what happened today. You can see this thing just ended up selling off throughout the rest of the day. So that's it. That's my day trading for the day. So we are 93 trades into this market open test trading. I released a video on Sunday about the results so far, so you could check that out if you want to see. But basically, we're profitable so far trading this system, trading these criteria every single day. So there's no reason to change it, especially at this point. We are just going to take it. There's my cat. We're going to take it out to 100 trades. And then we'll tally up the results and see where we are and see what we've learned and figure out what we could do in the future with this plan to make it even more profitable. So anyway, if you have any questions about that trading plan, it's available at patreon.com/tradingarmor. But if there are any questions, just leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. As always, go into every single trade with a plan. Stick to that plan no matter what. Always take your stop losses, honor your profit target, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.